Hey everyone, my name is Ari Shah, and today we're going to be talking about Uniswap, the first DEX and the highest volume, versus Pancakeswap, built on the Binance Smart Chain and has come into the market to take advantage of Ethereum, who now has high gas fees. And people are wondering, is it worth even trading on Uniswap? Well, Uniswap is coming out with V3, but Binance Smart Chain is also putting out many projects. So it's awesome to see this healthy competition in the ecosystem. It's going to be awesome to see what happens in the future. Ethereum is still the king of DeFi, the first layer protocol, where all these dApps, DeFi projects, and even NFTs have exploded. Now that we see Binance have vertical integration from Binance to CZ, their leader, to Binance Smart Chain, and lowering the fees, not only from the centralized exchange, much cheaper to use, but also from PancakeSwap, much lower fees than the alternative, Uniswap. Does that mean you should go to PancakeSwap over Uniswap? That is not necessarily true. Today, we're going to go over the differences between Uniswap and PancakeSwap. So guys, if you haven't clicked that bell button for this time-sensitive information, go ahead and click that bell button. If you haven't clicked that like button, it's free. If you like this information, spread it. Let's get the algorithm going, and comment below, what do you use, Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and why? All right, everyone. So let's start with Uniswap. Uniswap is the first and the most volume, and they have the network effect. Uniswap is built on the Ethereum blockchain. You can follow them on Twitter. We don't want to unfollow, but you can also click the bell button to receive notifications. They have 305,000 followers. When we go to PancakeSwap, we see them at 274,000 followers. When we look at Uniswap's site, we see that they are announcing Uniswap V3, guys. This is very exciting because the reason people have switched to PancakeSwap right here is because they have lower fees and they're built on the Binance Smart Chain. So this is built on the Binance Smart Chain. Number one, AMM and yield from on Binance Smart Chain. Keyword on Binance Smart Chain, not on Ethereum. Announcing Uniswap V3. So V3 is supposed to fix all these gas fees, and Uniswap has the best projects thus far. And when people are buying, usually they're going to Uniswap. There's other DEXs in the ecosystem, such as 1inch, which aggregates the best price. But PancakeSwap has been its biggest competition when we look at both. Both are very strong. Uniswap, I am a big investor in, and I recommend people checking out my video on Uniswap and my price prediction for Uniswap. But what are the differences between Uniswap and PancakeSwap? What makes Uniswap better and what makes PancakeSwap better? Well, two core things to know is that PancakeSwap is owned by Binance and it's not decentralized. So as far as security and decentralization, you can throw that out the window. But the one benefit is PancakeSwap got hacked, and CZ was able to track where it got hacked from. And that's the benefit of having the vertical integration with Binance. And then there is Uniswap, where first to market, great platform, great logo, great marketing. They airdropped tokens to people that interacted with their platform. However, the fees are just too high. If you want to be on Uniswap, you can't go purchase a coin with just $100 because you're going to pay $100 to make the transaction go through. For Uniswap, there's certain projects that you can only get on Uniswap. For example, a coin we've been talking about is OVR. We swapped one Ethereum for one OVR about a week ago, and that $1,800 is at $4,300. Even throughout that slight Bitcoin correction we had, OVR just kept pumping very strong. But yeah, OVR was only available on Uniswap, so that's why I went to Uniswap. So Uniswap has the network effect, but PancakeSwap is coming up really strong. They were sitting at $11 and today they're at $16. So PancakeSwap is very strong. You can see they have farming. You can see you can just swap. You can see they have a lot of options and you can really just play around and see what's going on with both, see what you want to be a part of. If you guys haven't checked out Switcheo, definitely take a look. We talked to Little Gains on G Money and Little Gains. Shout out to you guys from ClubHouse. I'll have to forward you this video, but Switcheo is another DEX with very low fees. So definitely take a look at Switcheo. But yeah, guys, PancakeSwap is very cool. These names are very cool, but Uniswap is still the king for DEXs. I believe that Uniswap is about to have a big pump in April. V3 is being announced. Ethereum is making the proper changes and functionality additions to make sure that these fees are not too high. And I believe that the king of DeFi will be back on top and Uniswap will keep going to the moon. But yeah, guys, that is the difference between PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Oh, and lastly, guys, for Uniswap, if you want to use this DEX, you have to use Metamask or some type of second layer protocol to connect. And Metamask by default, this is a benefit of Uniswap, is an Ethereum-based second layer protocol. If you want to connect your wallet with MetaMask, you have all these other options. You need to, one, make sure that you're connected properly. See, it's asking me, would you like to switch networks? Because you cannot be on the same network as the Ethereum. See, now we're connected. And when we go to our MetaMask, you'll see that we're not on the Ethereum network. We're on the PancakeSwap 2020 is what I named it. So we are connected there, but I can easily go back to the Ethereum network. So for those of you that, don't have too much money to play with, so if you're playing with a few $100s and you can't handle the fee, go to PancakeSwap. But if you're looking for a specific project and you like the concept of decentralization, see, now it says wrong network because I'm connected to the Binance Smart Chain. Very cool. Both MetaMask is a great second layer protocol that has honestly solved so many solutions for people who just want to do peer-to-peer trading. DEXs are an amazing thing, and Uniswap is about to have a big bump. PancakeSwap is following right behind it, and it's exciting to see all these other DEXs come to the forefront. The most beautiful way to trade for retail investors. For those of you that were upset with Robinhood for not letting you buy, for feeling like, you don't trust anyone else with your money. You don't trust your family members with your money. You don't even trust the bank with your money. So if that's true, check out these DEXs because that's the real way to trade. And if you guys really, you're like, I don't feel comfortable having my money here, you can always connect a hard wallet to your MetaMask and then connect your MetaMask to the DEX. But yeah, guys, that's the comparison between PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Let me know what you guys think. And by the way, Uniswap at one point did flip other way around. PancakeSwap at one point did flip Uniswap's transaction volume, but that's not the case anymore. And Uniswap has some of the best projects that come to the forefront. But it'll be exciting to see. We're Team Uniswap. Tell me, are you Team PancakeSwap or Team Uniswap, or are you neither? Let me know below. And thank you as always, guys. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. cycle.